What if the reason you're feeling behind is that you're trying to leave chapter 10 while you're still writing chapter 2? Hi, I'm Alexis Honestas, the book strategist. Welcome to Book Strategist Daily. Every day I share one lesson from building Omax Books. This month from New York. Let's build. Today I didn't create anything new, I organize. After arriving in New York, after running the Queen's 10K, after weeks of traveling between Guadeloupe, Paris, and New York, I realized I couldn't keep moving forward until I had caught up with everything behind me. So I ran to the desk at WeWork. I turned my phone off and I spent an entire day doing something that really gets celebrated: answering email, updating projects, closing conversation, rewriting my strategy, preparing the weeks ahead. Throughout the day, I also received some incredible news. The printing of our Tupac book officially moved forward, yeah, and promising discussion with a major French publishing house, new updates from my American literary agent. Normally, those moments make you want to jump straight into the next opportunity, but today I chose some things different. Structure. Because as I was walking, I realized some things. Every great book begins the same way, not with the first sentence, but with an outline, a structure, a beginning, a middle, an ending. You don't write chapter 10 before chapter 1. You don't relive the conclusion before the reader understands the story. Even when you write a business book or teach a course, you have to guide people in the right order. Maybe life works the same way. Sometimes we are chasing the next opportunity while yesterday's work is still unfinished. Sometimes we're trying to write the next chapter without finishing the one we already live in. Today wasn't about doing more, it was about putting everything back in the right order. Because tomorrow, my focus shifts to Invest Fest. New meetings, new conversation, new opportunities. But I know I will show up differently because today I took the time to organize the first story. Maybe that's what strategy really is. Not doing more, but knowing what comes next. So here my question for you. What chapter of your life are you trying to skip instead of fully writing the one you're in? Let's discuss. You can find me on X, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram, Alexis Honestas. I'm not documenting success, I'm documenting the process. You're listening to Book Strategies Daily from New York. I will see you tomorrow.